Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on depository receipts, which is from the chapter Merchant Banking and Financial Services. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. The contents are meaning of depository receipts, how does it work, what are the benefits to the issuers, and what are the benefits to the investors. Depository receipts is a type of negotiable instrument that is transferable financial security that is traded on a local stock exchange but represents a security usually in the form of equity that is issued by a foreign public listed company. The depository receipts, which is a physical certificate, allows investors to hold shares in equity of other countries. Hope you understand now. Depository receipts represents shares of an Indian company trading on a foreign stock exchange. One of the most types of depositories is the American depository receipt, which has been offering companies, investors and traders global opportunities for investments since 1920s. Since then, depository receipts have spread to other parts of globe in the form of Global Depository Receipt, European Depository Receipt, International Depository Receipt, and Indian Depository Receipt. Depository receipts makes it easier to buy shares in foreign companies because the shares of the company do not have to leave the home state. Depending on the place of existence of the depository bank, depository receipts are called by different names. When the depository bank is in the USA, as I have told you, the instruments are known as American depository receipts. European bank issue European depository receipts, and other banks issue global depository receipts. Depository receipts represent shares of an Indian company trading on a foreign stock exchange. Depository receipts holder are part of foreign holding in a company, but unlike FDI, investors in depository receipts do not enjoy voting rights. No prior approval of SEBI or from RBI or government is required for issue of depository receipts. No restrictions on the issue of proceeds except investment in real estate and the stock markets. How does a depository receipts work? It is created when a foreign company wishes to list its already publicly traded shares or debt securities on a foreign stock exchange. The company will first have to meet certain requirements put forth by the exchange. Initial public offerings can also issue a depository receipts. Depository receipts can be traded publicly or over the counter of exchange. What are the benefits to the issuer? It creates, broadens, or diversifies investor base. It enhances visibility and global presence, increases liquidity. It develops and increases research coverage of the company, access capital in international markets. Benefits to the investor. It is very easy to purchase and hold. The global sector diversification. It eliminates or reduces global custody of safekeeping charges, pays dividends and delivers corporate action notifications in the investor's home currency and language. Thank you. We would meet in Depository Receipts Part 2.